Hey, Anna. How was your day?
Pretty good. Just finished work. You look tired.
Yeah, it was a long day. Too many meetings.
I know that feeling. At least it's Thursday.
Almost Friday. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. I'm still thinking about it.
Same here. I need to do something fun, though.
Definitely. We need a break.
Have you thought about what you might do?
Maybe go to the park or see a movie. What about you?
I'm not sure yet. Let's figure it out together.
Good idea.
Okay, so when we talk about weekend plans, there are some really useful phrases.
Like what?
Well, first, you can say, "What are you up to this weekend?"
What are you up to this weekend?
Exactly. It's a casual way to ask about someone's plans.
That's easy. What else?
You can say, "I'm planning to," and then your activity.
Oh, like I'm planning to visit my friend.
Perfect! That's how you share your intentions.
Got it. What's another one?
You can also say, "Do you feel like," when you want to suggest something.
Do you feel like going to the movies?
Yes! It's a gentle way to make an invitation.
I like that. It sounds friendly, not pushy.
Exactly. And if someone invites you and you want to go, you say, "I'd love to."
I'd love to.
You sound enthusiastic. That's good.
What if I can't go? How do I say no politely?
You say, "I'd love to, but," and then explain why.
I'd love to, but I have other plans.
Perfect. That's polite and clear.
What if I want to suggest a different time?
You can say, "How about," and then suggest an alternative.
How about Saturday instead of Sunday?
Yes, that's exactly right.
This is helpful. What else should I know?
When you're not sure about your schedule, you say, "Let me check my calendar."
Let me check my calendar.
Right. It shows you're being thoughtful about your time.
Makes sense. Any more phrases?
Yeah, if plans might change because of weather, you say, "It depends on the weather."
Oh, like if you're planning a picnic.
Exactly. Weather can change outdoor plans.
What about meeting up? How do we talk about that?
You say, "Let's meet up," or "Want to hang out?"
Hang out?
Yeah, it means spend time together casually.
Want to hang out this weekend?
"I'd love to." See, now you're using the phrases.
I am. This is fun.
And the last useful phrase, "I'm free," means you don't have plans.
I'm free on Saturday afternoon.
Perfect. You got all 10 phrases.
That wasn't so hard. Now, let's actually plan our weekend.
Yes. Okay, so what are you up to this weekend?
Well, I'm planning to sleep in on Saturday morning.
Same. I'm so tired from this week.
After that, I'm free. Do you feel like doing something together?
I'd love to. What do you want to do?
How about going to that new cafe downtown?
The one on Main Street?
Yeah, that one. I heard they have amazing coffee.
That sounds great. What time works for you?
Maybe around 2 in the afternoon?
2? Let me check my calendar.
Sure, take your time.
Oh no, I have a dentist appointment at 2.
That's okay. How about 3 instead?
3 works perfectly. Thank you for being flexible.
No problem. So Saturday at 3 at the cafe.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. Should we do anything else that day?
Well, after the cafe, we could walk around downtown.
I'd love to. There are some nice shops there.
Yeah, and maybe we can get dinner too.
It depends on the weather, though.
What do you mean?
Well, I checked the weather app. It might rain Saturday afternoon.
Oh no. Really?
Yeah, there's a 60% chance of rain.
Maybe we should have a backup plan.
How about we meet at the cafe? And if it rains, we stay inside longer.
Good idea. And if it doesn't rain, we can walk around.
Perfect. That way, we're prepared either way.
What about Sunday? Are you free then?
I might be. What did you have in mind?
Do you feel like going to the park?
Which park?
The big one by the river. It's beautiful there.
I'd love to, but I might visit my family on Sunday.
Oh, that's okay. Family is important.
Thanks for understanding. I'm not sure yet, though.
No worries. Just let me know if you're free.
I will. Maybe we can do it next weekend instead.
Sure. We have plenty of time.
Do you have plans for Sunday if I'm not available?
I'm planning to just relax at home, I think.
Really? Nothing else?
Sometimes doing nothing is the best plan.
That's true. We all need rest.
Okay, so Saturday is definite. Sunday is maybe.
Right. I'll text you about Sunday.
Sounds good.
Oh, wait. Should we invite anyone else to the cafe?
Like who?
Maybe some friends from work?
I was thinking just us. Is that okay?
Oh, of course. That's totally fine.
Great. It'll be nice to just catch up.
Yeah, we haven't hung out in a while.
Actually, wait. I need to tell you something.
What is it?
I might need to leave the cafe by 5.
That's okay. Do you have something else?
Yeah, my sister is coming over for dinner.
Oh, that's nice. Family dinner.
Yeah, I haven't seen her in a month.
So we have from 3 to 5. That's 2 hours.
Right. Is that enough time?
Of course. That's plenty.
Okay, good. I was worried you'd be upset.
Not at all. I understand.
Thanks, Anna. You're a great friend.
You too, Louis.
Okay, let's practice some phrases. Listen and repeat. What are you up to this weekend?
What are you up to this weekend?
Great, that's perfect.
It feels natural to say.
Okay, next one. Listen and repeat. I'd love to, but I have other plans.
I'd love to, but I have other plans.
Excellent. You sound very polite.
Thanks. It's a useful phrase.
One more. Listen and repeat. Let me check my calendar.
Let me check my calendar.
Perfect. Now you know all the important phrases.
I feel more confident talking about plans now.
You should. You're doing great.
Okay, now let's pretend we're in a different situation.
What situation?
Let's say I'm inviting you to a party.
Okay, I'll play along.
Hey, Louis, I'm having a party next Friday. Want to come?
A party? What time?
It starts at 7 in the evening.
Let me check my calendar. Oh, I'm free.
Great. Can you bring something?
Sure. How about I bring some snacks?
That would be perfect. Thank you.
Okay, so next Friday at 7. Where is it?
At my apartment. I'll send you the address.
Sounds good. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. It'll be fun.
Who else is coming?
Some friends from work and a few neighbors.
Nice. I love meeting new people.
Great. Okay. End of role play.
That was fun. We sounded natural.
Yeah, practice really helps.
Now, let's see what you learned. I'll ask some questions.
Okay, I'm ready.
First question. What phrase do you use to ask about someone's weekend plans?
You say, "What are you up to this weekend?"
Correct. That's the casual way.
That was easy.
Next question. How do you politely decline an invitation?
You say, "I'd love to, but..." and then explain why.
Perfect. You're showing you care, but you can't make it.
Right. It's polite.
Third question. What do you say when you're not sure about your schedule?
You say, "Let me check my calendar."
Yes! That shows you're being thoughtful.
I remember that one.
Okay, what phrase shows you're available?
I'm free or I'm available.
Excellent. Both work perfectly.
This is like a fun game.
It is. Last question. How do you suggest an alternative time?
You say, "How about?" and then suggest a different time.
Perfect. You got all 5 questions right.
I did. I actually learned a lot today.
You really did. Your English is improving so much.
Thanks to practice like this.
That's what Daily English Flow is about. Learning naturally through conversation.
Right. No textbooks, just real talk.
And everyone listening is learning too.
I hope this helped you practice weekend plans.
Keep practicing these phrases in your daily life.
The more you use them, the more natural they become.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes when learning.
Exactly. It's part of the process.
Okay, so I'll see you Saturday at 3.
Yes! At the cafe downtown.
And I'll text you about Sunday.
Perfect. No pressure either way.
Thanks for being understanding.
Of course. That's what friends do.
Thank you for listening today.
Keep practicing your English every day.
Even small conversations help you improve.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.